Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use gesture navigation on Android. Master your device. If you've been using the older button-based icons and are looking to make the switch to gesture navigation, we're here to help you. In this video, we'll walk you through enabling and using the new gestural navigation on most phones running Android 10 or later. If your phone is still running Android 9 or earlier, it's time to look for deals on a new smartphones. If you use a Motorola, OnePlus, or TCL phone, you should be able to enable gestural navigation using the pixels. If you're having problem, return to the main settings menu and type navigation in the search bar at the top of the screen. On a Samsung phone or tablet, first open the Settings app. Scroll through the options and tap on Display Settings. Look for and open the navigation bar option. Tap on Swipe Gestures. From here, tap on the More Options button under Swipe Gestures. You'll find an option that says Swipe from Bottom. Ignore it and select Swipe from Side and Bottoms. For other phones, your mileage will vary just a bit. Most have gesture navigation option in similar places as described, but the naming conventions might differ. So you've turned on gesture navigation, and all you see is a gesture handle or navigation bar centered on the bottom of your screen. So how do you return to the home screen? Just swipe up from the thin line at the bottom of the screen, and you'd be back on the home screen. The gesture works from any app or interface. Just make sure that your hand doesn't linger on the screen for too long when you swipe, as that would trigger another response. However, gesture only works when you're already on the home screen, and only if your phone actually comes with an app drawer. Some manufacturers like Xiaomi don't offer one by default. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.